Hi, I'm Josh Zahoda. I graduated from Lassonde School of Engineering with a computer security degree and achieved my Bachelor's of Science. What led me to computer security at York was, first of all, it was a unique program that focused on an emerging field like cybersecurity. And you could probably see my background right up there. I have a bunch of game systems. I always wanted to be hands-on, hack things, make things, work in different ways. So I really went down this path of trying to get more value for items that I bought and unlock them in software. That really sparked interest in this field of security. And once I saw what the program had to offer and I aligned my interests, it was a no-brainer. A few highlights from my study was number one, the capstone project. When concluding the program, we actually got an opportunity to put all our skills that we've learned throughout the 3.5 years of studying to focus and solve a market problem. That, led by a professor, was one of the highlight areas because I actually got to work on something that I was interested in, IoT cybersecurity and issues surrounding new malware in that space, and solve real world problem that turned into a conference paper. And the second biggest highlight in Lassonde in general was just the community. When you have to study for an exam or you're in group projects or you just generally don't understand a concept, you can always go to your peers and ask them for help, and they're always helpful. I would definitely recommend other students to consider computer security as a program. First, I'll start with why. Cybersecurity is a growing field. Every day we're interfacing with systems and things that are run by computers and need the security necessary to make our day-to-day lives work. For example, you got in your car, it's now connected to the internet. You open a door in a building, that's managed by a building management system, and among other things. So cybersecurity is a growing field. It's critical to our day-to-day lives, which is why I recommend folks consider cybersecurity. And the computer security program at York actually is a well-rounded program that you learn software development skills, you learn business skills, and you mesh them together with cybersecurity. So you have this well-rounded understanding of how software developers think, how business people think, and then you bring your cybersecurity skill set to the forefront to actually make a difference. So I work at IBM as a security consultant, and I'm focused on helping clients secure their infrastructure and their organization. And my focus is operational technology. So think of manufacturing systems, think of street light and all this critical infrastructure and those industries. So what I like to think when I do my job day to day is that I'm actually helping society stay operational. When you start practicing and working for clients and being on projects, that's when you really realize the skill set that you've developed throughout your university career and what you're bringing as your competitive advantage to the table. And it wasn't until my second or third project where I realized the unique skill set that I brought, and that's a direct result of the computer security program. And it was software development. Because we have this focus on software development in the first couple of years, understanding how software is built, design, even working on programming languages, that was a skill set that I transferred into my day-to-day job, and I bring that perspective to my team, and we have limited individuals with that type of perspective and knowledge, and I feel that I provide a lot of value because of that experience from school.